Hello Virgo, this will be reading for the month of May. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start your reading Virgo. So let's see what message you have. You have devotion, Lord Krishna. So I feel like Virgo, in the month of May, this is a time where you will be having a certain clarity in your life, especially people who are in conflict, people who have more decision here. And I feel like there's a lot of options you can expect for the month of May, maybe regarding a person, or it can be a career or any other opportunity. But I feel like you're going to focus on one certain thing, and there are people who are literally confused in the past few months regarding a choice or regarding a certain person or a opportunity in your life. I see like it's time for you to like make a decision, and I see you making a decision in the month of May, and I see you concentrating on that. And I see like most of them are going to heal from a situation here, and I see like people who are guarded or something. I see like you'll be ready for the new energy. Any kind of a like stagnation or something, I feel like there will be a forward movement. There will be no stagnation. I feel strongly here. So I feel like it will be a good month for you for the month of May. So for the current energy, you have Ace of Swords. So I see like most of them are making a decision here or choosing to cut some person out from your life. Especially not even a certain person. It can be a group of people or a situation which no longer serves you. So crossing the card, Eight of Swords. So I see you like you're taking action towards any kind of a situation which is making you feel stuck. Especially people who are overthinking or not having a certain clarity. I see you like you're going to get clarity in a current situation, and I see like this situation, whatever is going to bring you clarity, is going to let you free from any kind of a toxicity. So in the past, you have Page of Coin. I see you investing your time and effort regarding a certain situation. It's like step-by-step process here. For some people, it can be a career-wise, or it can be a relationship or something you're investing, or a particular person here. So immediate future, Eight of Coin. I see you choosing to work on yourself and just put effort. What you can expect, the High Priestess. So I feel like there will be a healing process which is going to take place here. Or you may be dealing with a Pisces, or there may be a Pisces who is going to enter in your life. But I see moreover, it's like finally you are going to choose to listen to your intuition here, and I see you like being spiritually awakened. Hidden from you is Queen of Cups. Maybe a water sign you're dealing with, or a earth sign here, or a air sign. I have all the signs here. But I feel like there's a lot of emotion, or there's a plan you have within yourself regarding a certain opportunity here. So you know what you want in your life, but I see like you are just keeping your thoughts, your manifestation within yourself, and waiting for the right time to take action towards a certain situation. Within you, you have Nine of Coin. I see you like emotionally you have healed yourself, and I see like you're being independent, charming, and I feel like financially you are stable for most of them, or it can be like you are very self-confident, and I see you feeling very confident within yourself. It's all about self-worth. Around you, Six of Cups, a soulmate connection or a past issue here surrounding the outcome. Two of Swords, conflict, confusion. I see you dealing that. Any kind of a conflict or any kind of a confusion here. So let me clarify each cards here. So let's see the current energy here. So let's see what is this current energy is all about. The Empress, maybe dealing with a Libra or a Taurus. Pisces energy, Hangman, Ten of Swords. So I see like you're choosing to end a situation, or there's a situation which is already ended, and I see there's a final decision you're going to take place here. I see a final decision which will be taken place here, and I see like you may be taken action towards this individual in the past or in a situation which is already ended. So you may be taking action, or you may be conflicted whether the situation is ended or not. But finally, I see you seeing a situation in different perspective, and I see like you're wishing to be single and independent. Especially people, if there's any kind of a incomplete business, or if there's some kind of a incomplete ending which has taken place in the past. But I feel like finally you're choosing to end a situation. Finally knowing your self-worth here, and I'm choosing to just end a situation, seeing a situation in a different perspective and ending a situation here. Maybe it was a difficult moment to leave a certain person from your life in the past, but I see like presently you're leaving a situation. So crossing the card, it is Eight of Swords. So let me clarify that. Okay, so Eight of Swords. You have Ten of Cups. You want an emotional fulfillment here, you want a happiness in your life, but there was a certain energy in your life which was making you feel stuck. You may feel like the situation you were dealing with may bring you a lot of happiness here, but with that there was a lot of stuck energy, a lot of overthinking, or a lot of stress involved here. So I feel like it was a difficult moment to leave a certain person here, because this person was making you happy and also was bringing a toxicity in your life. So you were literally confused regarding leaving a certain person from your life. Let me get another one card for that, for more clarification. Two cards. Okay. Three of Swords and the Eight of Wands. This situation, whatever you thought it was your happiness, brought you a lot of pain, heart pain. For some people, third party situation here. But I see you finally you choose to like take action towards a situation and end a certain situation here, because you know that the situation is bringing you a lot of pain. So you may realize that you can't feel more stuck here, and you can't be in a stagnation position. So you know that you need to move forward, you need to grab new opportunity in your life. So you may choose to end a situation with a certain person. Let me clarify this past energy. Page of Coin. Judgment. So there's a decision which was taken place in the past, or you may be taking action towards a particular situation to make a certain decision, a final decision here. Okay. You got Judgment, Queen of Coin, and the Magician. So I feel like you choose to make a decision in the past. You may got a clarity in the past, and you may have decided to manifest a certain thing from your life, and you may have decided like the particular situation you're going to manifest should bring you a lot of happiness. So you may choose to work on a certain situation or put effort on certain thing, or you wanted to manifest a certain thing in your life so that you can end this past issue. So you may choose to make a last judgment call here, end a situation here, and work on things which makes you happy. Let me clarify Eight of Coin. Hierophant, Wheel of Fortune, Six of Wands. So I see you finally in the future, I see you taking action towards a particular situation. Especially there may be a new person who's entering, maybe a Taurus. In case if you're dealing with a Taurus, I see a second chance which will be given for them. There'll be a second chance. For the rest of them, it's like a situation where there will be a second chance between you and the other person. I feel strongly this commitment. I see like presently you may choose not to like put effort on a situation, but suddenly I see in the month of May, I see it's a situation where you may choose to change a dynamic in the relationship. So this changes is going to bring you a second chance here. So I see there's a situation which is going to totally turn into other new perspective in your life, and this is going to bring you a lot of happiness. For the few of them, I see like most of them, especially people who are dealing with a Taurus, I see like there's a second chance. For the rest, I feel like it's a situation where as soon as you literally come out of a relationship or a commitment, there's be a change which will be involved, and I see like most of them will be interested on you, and you can expect a lot of attention from other people also. Okay, it can be that. For Taurus, who are dealing with the Taurus and Sagittarius, main signs Taurus and Sagittarius, I feel a second chance. For the rest, it's like a situation where as soon as you leave a commitment here, people are going to be attractive and they're going to come towards you. You may find a lot of opportunity around you. So let me clarify this High Priestess. Temperance. What you can expect is there will be a balance in your life for sure. There will be an opportunity, or there's an opportunity which is granted right now or in the past. But I see like there's a situation where you can have a balance, where you can make things right here. Maybe by being with them or by leaving the situation. But you may have chosen to like make a decision. You may have taken time to make a decision here. You may have just trying to ignore a situation which is hurting you a lot. And this may bring you a lot of burden. So this is what you're going to realize here. What you can expect is you're going to realize that you're trying to walk away from some kind of a changes or some kind of a balance which is literally letting you to be in a certain burden here. So I see you realizing that and choosing to just walk away from a particular situation. So let's see what is hidden from you. Queen of Cups, Ace of Coins, Queen of Five of Wands. I see like most of them right now, without knowing within yourself, I see you like you are trying to clear out any kind of a conflict or any kind of a confusion here, or any kind of a literally like emotionally whatever it's letting you down emotionally, or it can be anything which is like literally like making you confused or conflicted. So you are indirectly, without knowing yourself, I see like you're literally working on that conflict, confusion, and choosing to cut off the situations here, because you know there's a new opportunities which is lying forward you. So you're choosing to cut this past situation or this conflict out, and you're ready for the new thing. And you may be not knowing that you're literally in the process of removing a conflict here, but I see you doing that. Step by step, I see that you're choosing to work on everything which is literally letting you feel stuck here. So let me see what is this Nine of Coins is all about. Maybe dealing with another Virgo. Page of Cups. So the energy you are in is Page of Cups, Nine of Swords, and the Devil. So I feel like this Nine of Coins, I see you like you are being single, turning back from this emotion you have towards a person, any kind of overthinking or any kind of a stress or any kind of a toxicity. I see you literally doing that in a present moment. I see you turning back from any kind of emotion you have with a certain person, because you know this person is literally letting you down, stressing you out, and you feel like this is a toxic relationship, toxic situation. So I see like you're turning back and just being strong enough right now. So around you, Six of Cups. Let's see what is it all about. Knight of Coin, Eight of Cup, 10 of Coin. There's a soulmate connection you are dealing with, or this person may be in relationship with you for more than like maybe 6 months or 6 years, or it can be like long-term relationship here. For most of them, I see you emotionally, you have like disconnected from this person, and there's a commitment which is there between you and them, and you are literally disconnected from them emotionally. Physically, I don't see, I see emotionally you are literally disconnecting from this particular person. For the Two of Swords as outcome, Four of Swords, Nine of Wands, Knight of Cup. So I see like the outcome of the situation, Two of Swords. I see you like you're healing yourself, being very guarded, because it's a healing process which has taken place. Sometimes you may also feel like you have an emotion towards this person, and you may feel very dragged towards them. You may be very much attracted towards them once, and once you may feel like you have to guard yourself. So there may be a mixed emotion you can face this month, in the May month. But I see you are in the process of healing and just working on yourself. And I don't see like you're literally investing on this particular situation. You're trying to like take your energy back and turn back from this person, but still you may feel energy pulled towards them. But I see like you're overcoming that. So that's what I see, Virgo. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.